Now if we look at the reverse side of our circle, we can see our clock face that's marked with tick marks and numbers. So if we start at 0, our starting point, each tick mark represents 1 minute that has passed. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and it's marked here with a 5. Now we can skip count by 5s. 10 minutes have passed, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and back to the beginning gives us 60 minutes that have passed. When 60 minutes have passed, we can mark 1 hour. Going around the clock face one more time, when 60 more minutes have passed, we can mark 2 hours. Another journey around the clock face is 3 hours, and so on.